Is Threads finally launching in the EU? Threads, the social media platform owned by Meta and rival to X, previously known as Twitter, made its debut in July, but hasn't been accessible in many European countries until now. That is expected to change this week. The platform quietly incorporated a countdown timer on its website, primarily targeting markets where Threads isn't currently available, particularly the European Union. Notably, a Threads user discovered that Instagram users within the EU region can search for ticket in the Instagram app. This search query reveals a digital invitation to Threads along with its launch time. The forthcoming expansion into the EU has been long awaited for Threads. During its initial launch, the platform skipped the EU market due to concerns regarding data sharing regulations. This expansion, however, is expected to provide a significant boost to the service as it aims to compete head-to-head with X.